How hard does it have to be to play guitar? Good question. Thank you. It doesn't have to be hard. It doesn't have to be harder than you want to make it hard. So don't make it hard. Let me show you. I'm gonna play a music number using only 2 fingers. 2 fingers. Oh, that sounds like the power chord approach. Yes, it is the power chord approach, but I'm using it in another context. A more experienced musician told me that the number I made here is called an Andalusian cadance. Yes, Spain. Thank you, Spain, for all the music and the flamenco and the Spanish guitar. Yes. So 2 fingers. I'm gonna use finger 1 and finger number 3. Sorry, I was born with these 2 fingers with skin between those fingers, so I have a little hard to separate those 2 fingers. But anyway, you have to compensate for any what shall I say, dysfunctionalities you got. So one of the ways I was compensating was I knew I was never gonna play Stairway to Heaven or something like that. All the others could do that. I had to do something completely different, so I did that, and I had to cheat a little bit. So enough talk, Frank. Let's get to it. Yes, okay. 2 fingers, the power chord approach. I'm moving a little away. Okay, so let's get started. I'm starting in fret 7, and the root note is on the 5th string. Thus, I'm playing a drone. Yes, a drone. No, not a flying drone, a musical drone. An open string played without in the duration of the number. So I'm using a drone. Okay, shut up, Frank, and get to it. Yes, I'll be a good boy. Two fingers, you can do it.